Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can replace the sound in a video with your own voices on CapCut. So here I've already imported a video which already has a sound to it. So first, before you add your own voice, you need to remove or mute the audio on the clip. So first you can just click on mute. The first option is you can just click on mute, or you can also delete the sound permanently by extracting the sound first. So just click on a clip, click on extract audio, and now click on the audio and delete it. Okay, so now the clip doesn't have any audio, and you can just start adding your own voices by going to the audio and click on record. And now just click on the microphone icon in here, and it will be start recording now. Hey guys, so this is how you can replace the sound in a video using your own voices. Click again to stop it, and just click on the check icon, and the video or your voice will be saved. Hey guys, so this is how you can replace the sound in a video using your own voices. Okay, so that's pretty simple, right? I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, a like, and also subscribe if you haven't done that. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye.